and I study SNS Academy. Today I am going to explain about how AI works in Google Maps. AI meets ML. As people travels over 1 billion kilometers with the help from Google Maps in more than 220 countries, the company is using artificial intelligence, machine learning, models to predict whether the traffic along a route is heavy or light, an estimated travel time, and an estimated time for your arrival. Improving traffic accuracy. Google has partnered with DeepMind, an Alphabet AI research lab, to improve the accuracy of its traffic prediction capabilities. Learning from data to predict what traffic will look like in the near future, Google Maps analyzes historical traffic patterns for roads over time. It is then combined with the database of historical traffic patterns with live traffic conditions using machine learning to generate predictions based on both sets of data. Varied sources. Two other sources of information are important to making sure Google recommends the best routes. Authoritative data from local government and real-time feedback from users. Authoritative data lets Google Maps know about speed limits, tolls, or if certain roads are restricted due to things like construction or COVID-19, and incident reports from drivers let Google Maps quickly show if a road or a lane is closed, if there is construction nearby, or if there is a disabled vehicle or an object on the road. Looking at big pictures. So how exactly does this all work in real life? Say you are heading to a doctor's appointment across town. Driving down the road, you take to get there. When you leave the house, traffic is flowing freely. With Google Maps, traffic predictions combined with live traffic conditions will let you know that if you continue down your current route, there is a good chance you'll get stuck in unexpected traffic about 30 minutes into your ride. As a result, Google Maps automatically reroutes you using its knowledge about nearby road conditions and incidents, helping you avoid the jam altogether and get to your appointment on time. The rerouting adjustments involve applying AI to teach maps to identify and forecast when people are hitting their brakes. Google uses data from hard brake events, moments that cause drivers to decelerate sharply, and are known indicators of cars crash likelihood to suggest alternative routes when available. So we have seen in brief how AI is used in Google Maps. Thank you.